welcome back to our channel Fly High Crypto. Today we'll be talking about Zilliqa. What is Zilliqa and what's their project, why its uses, shares, and many other things. So Zilliqa is a public blockchain platform best known for its early implementation of sharding, a scaling solution that breaks transaction validating nodes and blockchain networks into smaller components or shards. These shards validate microblocks simultaneously with other shards, and the microblocks are subsequently combined to create a single block on the blockchain. This is intended to increase the speed of the blockchain's transaction processing. Based in Singapore, Zilliqa launched in 2017 June. The project was co-founded by Amrit Kumar, its president and chief sensitive officer Yoki Jia, its chief technology officer Xingshu Dong, a board member, and the project's former chief executive officer, and Max Cantelia, an advisor and board member. Zilliqa raised $22 million worth of Ether through an initial coin offering ICO that concluded in January 2018. The total supply of Zilliqa, the platform's native cryptocurrency, is 22 billion zillings, ZIL, the code is. The tokens originally launched on the Ethereum network as ERC20 tokens and were swapped out for ZIL tokens at the mainnet launch in January 2019. In 2019, Zilliqa launched its mainnet and enabled transactions within the first quarter. In the second quarter, it launched smart contract creation on its platform, meaning developers can write and launch the contracts using blockchain's own programming language, Scala. Through sharding, Zilliqa claims the transaction throughout of its blockchain corresponds to and increases with the number of nodes in the network. For example, the project claims user will see roughly 1,218 transactions per second when 800 nodes are operating, a number that will jump to 2,488 transactions per second when the number of nodes doubles. It claims to have achieved over 2,828 transactions per second on its testnet. So now Zilliqa claims all this, and this was about Zilliqa. We'll be reading more in the next paragraph. Zilliqa technical analysis for the year 2018. Zilliqa made its existence in the crypto world on 26 January 2018 with a trading value of 0.18 cents, according to CoinMarketCap. The coin dramatically plunged to 0.04 cents within a few days and again slid to 0.03 cents by mid-March. Further, with certain recovery, the coin drastically spiked to 0.23 cents on 10th May to hit an all-time high. Later, the price failed to be as stable and shockingly sank to 0.02 cents by mid-August. Later, with certain price differences, the currency reached 0.02 cents to the end of the year 2018. 2019, on a bearish note, ZIL entered the year 2019 with a cost of only 0.01 cents. The price remained stable until it recovered to 0.02 cents by April. Further, the price again swung to 0.01 cents and reclaimed its resistance at 0.02 cents by June. Terribly, the coin started a downtrend and declined to 0.004 by the end of September. However, Zilliqa closed the year 2019 with a trading price of 0.004 cents. 2020, with a bearish cycle, Zilliqa started the year 2020 at a trading value of 0.004 cents with certain price inequalities. Zilliqa declined to 0.003 cents by mid-March as the fall of the cryptocurrency market due to COVID-19 outbreak. Progressively, Zilliqa recovered to 0.02 by mid-June and further started to variate and decline to 0.01 cents by September. Later, with certain price indifferences, Zilliqa moved to 0.08 cents by December to the end of the year 2020. Zilliqa price prediction for 2021. Zilliqa traded at 0.08 cents during the start of the January 2021. Later, the price started to escalate as it acquired the attention of the investors. The coin is anticipated to rise further with certain developments and software upgrades. Zilliqa might decline if the bears drag the price down. At the end of 2021, Zilliqa is assumed to hit $1. Zilliqa price prediction for the year 2022. Zilliqa might resume the year 2022 with a price of $1.5. The price might accumulate further if it concentrates on attaining more investors as well as the users. By the end of 2022, Zilliqa might reach the higher price at $2.5. 5 years price prediction for Zilliqa is anticipated to be ranked among top 35 currencies. The price may intensify if the bull acquire the market and push the prices up. Zilliqa might concentrate on enhancing the protocol and the platform. By the end of the 5 years, the highest Zilliqa's price could hit $4.5. This prediction